everyone, I'm Chef Angela Rose Capana from Eat Your Heart Out Edibles. I'm a personal chef and I create custom meals for my clients. But now I want to share my favorite tips, tricks, and recipes from my kitchen to yours. And if you're hungry for more, make sure to click the subscribe link below. All right guys, welcome back. So if you watched last week's video, there was no hiding the little wet soaking girl in the corner, the soaking wet girl. We're filming all in one day here and I'm not hiding wet kids in the basement. So introducing my best friend and my camera guys, adorable little girl, Georgia. So she was out back swimming. And since she was in the last video, I'm having her come on so you guys don't think I'm a weird creepo hiding wet girls in the basement. So take a seat, and today we're gonna make 3-ingredient ice cream muffins. Do you like ice cream? Have you ever baked with ice cream, or have you only eaten it like an ice cream cone? And what's your favorite flavor? Mint? Do you like vanilla? Okay, good, because these are gonna be vanilla muffins. So George is gonna be my assistant. All you need is a pint of your favorite flavor ice cream. I have vanilla, so that's what we're gonna use. So you wanna come over here. I'll move the chair over and you can push all that ice cream into this bowl with this. You think you can handle that? I'll hold it and you push it out. So 1 pint of your favorite ice cream. I stuck with vanilla to keep it simple, and it's the only ice cream I haven't eaten yet. Oh, you got it. It helps if you let the ice cream sit out for a little bit so it's a little bit melted. Which, oh no, you're doing a good job. All right, scrape the sides. Hold on, ready? We'll go like this. Oh, a little bit more. Why is mint chocolate chip your favorite? I feel like it's like eating toothpaste. You don't feel like that? You're like eating cold toothpaste and swallowing it?
No.
All right, one more. Can you get that? All right. One more, hold on. Okay. Pint of vanilla ice cream into the mixing bowl. Now, take this back. We're gonna do 2 cups of flour. I'll measure it and you'll dump it? Okay. So this is 1 cup. There you go. Into the mixer it goes. And maybe we'll start mixing this a little bit now. Put your mixer on low. You could totally just do this with, you know, your arm in a mixer. It's not that hard. And then we're gonna add the 2nd cup. Have you baked? What kind of stuff have you baked before?
Brownies.
Brownies? Were they good?
Yeah. And also cookies.
And cookies, wow. Cup number 2. Now while that's mixing, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of baking powder. So 3 ingredients, 1 pint of your favorite ice cream, 2 cups of flour, and then 2 tablespoons of baking powder. So this dough is, this batter is really thick. So don't be, it's not gonna be liquidy, you'll see. Can you add this, number 1? All right, look, how does it look to you? Can you take a step up?
Yeah.
It looks like pizza dough, but that's how you want it to be, pretty thick. I'm gonna put it on high for 1 second. All right, that's well combined. And now, do you wanna spray the baking tin? So I'm using silicone muffin tins. It's just easier to pop out. And to be extra safe, I always like butter them. So I'm just gonna use some cooking spray. You wanna see if you can do it? Do not get me. Give it like hairspray. Oh gosh. Oh, pretty good job. Okay. Get that one. One more time. All right, great. Pretty good. You didn't get my hand too much, actually. You did a good job. Okay. Now we're gonna fill these about 3/4 of the way full. And you can see this is like super duper thick batter. You wanna help me? Get a spoon and get some out. Uh-oh. You got it. I put it in that one. All right. Oh, good job. All right. So let's see how many this gives us. I haven't made these in a while. So we have 1, 2, go ahead, do another one. Here, I'll hand them to you. You put them in. How about this? You put them in the muffin tin. You can use your hands are clean. Use your finger to scoop that one off. There you go. You can tell that you've baked before because you're so neat. There you go. Cold. It's ice cream, man. You know what? You could have your friends over and be like, oh, do you want ice cream? And then hand them one of these and they're gonna think you're nuts. But you wouldn't even be lying. You should do it for your thing, that thing you're starting. Yeah. You'd be like, oh, we're gonna have ice cream in January, but it's not cold, like a trick. And then it could be like a riddle that you're trying to figure out, and then you give them the muffins. George is starting a club. I think that one might need a little bit more. Add that to that one, just a little bit more. Oh gosh. I don't know what's going on. Is there more little girls coming?
It sounds like farting.
I don't know what's going on. Lots of activity here. All right, so far we have 7. So I'm gonna say this recipe gives us a comfortable 8 ice cream muffins. I'm gonna scrape away to get the 9th one out, but I'm gonna say this recipe yields 8 comfortably. And then these just go into the oven. My oven, I'm sorry, is set at 350 degrees, and we're gonna let these go for 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna give them a check, and I'll come back to you with how much longer they should go. All right, you did a good job. Can you come back in 10 minutes and be the taste tester? All right, cool. Into the oven they go. All right, I pulled Georgia out of the water because the muffins are done. So just to make it clear, 350 degree oven for 20 minutes, and we have ice cream muffins. So which one do you want to try? All right, they come right out. Tell me what you think, girly. They're a little warm. I would say they'd be better when they're cool. Does it taste like ice cream? Let me see. I'll give. They're not too sweet, right? I feel like you could eat these for breakfast. No, they're really good. Mint chocolate chip would probably be good. I think I'm babysitting in a few months. Maybe we'll try mint chocolate chip ones. Thanks for your help. They're good. She's still eating. She can't even talk. Can you give me a thumbs up? Were they good? Bye.